Jai Srimanarayana. 16th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dvavimau Purushau loke Ksharascha Aksharayevacha Ksharah sarvani bhutani kutastho Vuchyate. Keep on striving to get into a class of souls who are not in contact with this materialistic world. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on striving to get into a class of souls who are not in contact with this materialistic world. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra and teaching Gajendra Mokshanam, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma heard Gajendra's prayers. Now Paramatma is leaving from his place. How he is leaving? He is in Sri Vaikuntham. He is along with his wife Sri Mahalakshmi Devi on the bed of flowers. He is relaxing over there. Now Paramatma heard Gajendra's prayers and then he starting from there. సిరికింజప్పడు శంఖచక్రయుగముంచేదో ఈ సంధింపడు ఏ పరివారంబును చీరడు అభ్రకపతిం బణ్ణింపడు ఆకర్ణికాంతరధమ్మిల్లము జక్కనొత్తడు వివాద ప్రోత్థిత శ్రీకుచోపరిచేలాంచలమైన వీడడు గజ ప్రాణావనోత్సాహియై. Paramatma was holding Sri Mahalakshmi Devi's saree. He did not even tell Mahalakshmi Devi. While holding that saree, he started from there. Then Paramatma, along with Paramatma, Mahalakshmi Devi also following. Bhagavan Srihari, Srimannarayana did not take his Sankham, did not take his Chakrayudham, did not take his Gadayudham, is not holding Padmam flower. The one who is having 4 shoulders, 4 hands, now those 4 hands are empty, nothing Bhagavan is holding. Right in the behind, all the Maharshis and Nityasuris following. But Paramatma is not talking to anyone. Garutman is coming and expecting Bhagavan to come on to him, but Bhagavan is simply, he is moving Garutman away from him and he is rushing towards Gajendra. Paramatma, his beautiful curly hair is coming on to his eyes. Bhagavan is not even taking away those hair, not even adjusting his own hair, but he is in rush to come to Gajendra. Why? It is just to protect Gajendra, one elephant. Did that elephant do any yajnas or tapasyas? No, not even a day he did any puja, but Gajendra at once surrendered to Paramatma. That is what captivated Paramatma. For that Saranagati, Bhagavan is completely got captivated by. That is why Bhagavan is in very much rush to come to Gajendra to protect him. Like that Paramatma is rushing. Like that Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 16th sloka. Dva vimau purushau loke ksharascha evacha ksharas sarvani bhutani kutastokshara uchyate. Dvavimau purushau loke ksharascha evacha ksharas sarvani bhutani kutastokshara uchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.